Hi guys, welcome to Easy Maths Lessons. Today we are going to find simple percentages of amounts without a calculator. Let's have a go at it. Alright, the first question says, find 10% of £200. Now, the first thing I must know is that £200 will be exactly 100% of my amount. Now, in order for me to find 10%, I need to divide my entire amount by 10 because 100 divided by 10 is 10%, and therefore I need to take my 200 divided by 10 to find 10% of 200. And there we go. It's easy as that. We just knocked off the zero. Now, for something a bit more complicated, what if I have to find 50% of 200? Well, again, the clue will be in here in the 100%. Now, if I have to get from 100 to 50, all I have to do is to half my amount. And therefore, I'm going to take 200, I'm going to half it, and so 50% is £100. Let's take it one step further. How can I find 25% of this £200? Well, if I look at it, then I've got 50%, and half of 50% is 25%. And therefore, if I start off with 100, I would half it, and I would half it again in order to find 25%. Or if I've got 50%, I just half it once. So in order to go to 25%, I would have started at 200, half it to get 50%, which is 100, half it again to get £50, which is now 25%. Let's look at another example. This time I have to find 10% of £360. So in order for me to find 10%, I'm going to go sideways and divide by 10. Every time I go sideways, I divide by 10. If I go downwards, I will half my amount. So dividing by 10, 360 divided by 10 is 36. So 10% of 360 is 36. You can see all I have lost here is that zero to go to 10%. Another question could be find 50% of 360. Now remember what I said, when I go across, I divide by 10. When I go downwards, I need to half it. So because I want to find 50% and half of 100 is 50, I'm going to half my amount. So half of 360 is £180. Well, if I want to find 25% of 360, I can just half it again. So because I'm going downwards, I would be halving it again. And half of 180 is £90. What if I want something a little bit more complicated? Let's say 75%. Now, from this, all of these calculations that I've made here, I can calculate 75% by simply taking 50% plus the 25%, because 50 add 25 is 75%. So take my 50%, which is £180, and I add to that my 25%, which is £90. Together, I should get 75% of my amount, which is £270. So 75% of £360 is £270. Have a go at these questions. Pause it, and then I'll see you later with the answer. And there you are. How did it go? I hope you got full marks for it. If you did, Well done. Don't forget when we write money values that you should always write the last zero. So in this case, £4.80. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to find me on Twitter at Easy Maths Lesson or on Facebook at Easy Maths Lessons. Till next time.